Hello students, we are doing the transformation of sentences, and till now we have discussed how we can transform simple sentences into complex sentences and into compound sentences. All we need to transform the sentences from one type to another type is just the conjunctions. We need to remember only the conjunctions to transform the one kind of sentence to the another kind. Today we will little bit discuss about how we can transform compound sentence to the complex sentence. We can also transform the compound sentence to the complex sentence. In this we need the conjunctions which are used in complex sentences. Okay, let's see the first sentence. Search his pocket and you will find the watch. मतलब अगर तुसी उदी पॉकेट सर्च करोगे तुहानू वॉच मिल सकती है अगर if and we know that if is used in the complex sentence, so we can transform this sentence into complex sentence by using if you search his pocket, we need to remove this and because and is used in complex sentence. If you search his pocket, you will find the watch. Okay, second sentence. He saw the danger and paused. जदों उन्हें danger देखा, जदों उन्हें लगा कि कोई खतरा है, वो रुक गया. जदों when he saw the danger, comma, he paused. In transforming compound sentence to complex sentence, we need to remove the earlier used conjunction. Here also and conjunction was used, and here also and conjunction was used. We need to remove these conjunctions to make the complex sentence. He is my friend, therefore I love him. Here conjunction used is therefore, and we need to remove it. He is my friend, therefore I love him. वो मेरा friend है, इसलिए मैं उन्हें प्यार करती हूँ. Here we know that the sense is like इसलिए, as he is my friend, I love him. Or you can say since he is my friend, I love him. You can use both since or you can also use as. He is my friend. Since he is my friend, I love him. Okay, let's see the next sentence. He finished his work and went out for walk. इस sentence है बच्चे, एक की sense है, उन्हें अपना काम finish किया अते वो walk ले चला गया. इन्हों असी दो sense दे विच लिख सकते हैं. After finishing his work, he went out for walk. ਜਾਂ लिख सकते हैं when, जदों उन्हें काम finish किया, when he finished his work, he went out for walk. We can also use after in this sentence. We can also use when. After finishing his work, he went out for walk. Next sentence. He worked hard but he failed. उन्हें बहुत बेशक उन्हें बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया लेकिन वो फिर भी वो फेल हो गया. Here the sense is like of although he worked hard, although he worked hard, yet he failed. Okay. Just remember, we need to remove the already used conjunctions. We cannot use the conjunction, both the conjunctions of complex sentence also and compound sentence also together. Even if we get in exams to change the complex sentence into compound sentence, it is in a similar way, bache. It is done in a similar way. Only you will put the conjunctions of then compound sentence. Okay, you will put the conjunctions of compound sentence and you will remove the conjunctions of the complex sentence. So with this, we have completed the transformation of simple sentence to the compound and complex sentence, and today we did the transformation of compound sentence to complex sentence. Even if we have to do the transformation of complex sentence to the compound sentence, it is done in a similar way, it is done in the same way, only remove the conjunctions of complex sentence and add the conjunctions of the compound sentence. Please practice these carefully. Thank you very much.